Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can purchase cars on Bloxburg. So go to the build mode here. Then you are going to go to the decorate, select vehicles, and select the car that you want to buy and just place it on your lot. I'm not going to do that though because I already have a car here. Oh, I left it at the restaurant, but you're just going to do that. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.